Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice questions for understanding congruence. So look at it. Triangle PQR shown below is congruent to the triangle. So this is X, Y, Z. Okay, determine, so XY. So here, XY, this is congruent with PQ. So if XY equal to 2x plus 1, PQ is 6.8. So 2x equal to 6.8 minus 1. So 2x equal to 5.8. So we can divide it both by 2. So the x equal to 2.9 centimeter. Okay, this triangle is congruent. So let us find the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse equal to square root of 6 square plus by 8 square. So this is 36 plus 64, square root of 100. So the hypotenuse equal to 10. So this is equal to 10. So AC congruent with YZ. So 10 equal to 2x plus 4. So we minus by 4 both sides.
Okay, I found this on the web for
Minus by 4. Also 2x plus 4 and minus by 4. So 6 equal to 2x. We divide by 2 both sides. So we got x equal to 3 centimeter. Number 3. Triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. So if the angle, look at it, ABC equal to here and BCA and the angle EFD, use the information to give determine and the size of the angle each triangle. Okay, so we will have BCA, this gonna be equal to EFD. BCA and EFD. Why? Because this is a corresponding angles in congruent. So BCA is 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus by 2. Okay, here we can minus by 2x. Here also minus by 2x. So 15 equal to x minus 2. Plus by 2 both sides. So x equal to 17 degree. There it is. Okay, if we would like to find each size of the angle, so we can proceed. So if A, BC equal to 2x minus 5. So this is 2 times 17 minus 5. So ABC is gonna be 29 degree. And ABC are congruent with DEF. So they are equal 29 degree. Next we can find BCA. For BCA, this is gonna be congruent with EFD. So we can check it here. So 2 times 17 plus 15 equal to 2 times, 3 times 17 minus 2. So it's gonna be 49 degree, and also 49 degree. Okay. Next we can find CAB, and this will be congruent with FDE. So we can from the triangle total of 180, we minus by 29, minus again by 49. So the angle gonna be 102 degree. So this both is 102 degree. Okay. Number 4. In the imperial system, 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. Line MN, okay, is 2.5 foot long, and the line PQ is 2 foot and 6 inches long. Are the line congruent? So we have to check it. Let us make it all of them into equivalent to centimeter. So 2.5 we will multiply by 12 to make it inches. So a moment, so 25, 2.5 times 12 is 30. So this is 30 inches. For the MN, okay, so the MN, let us convert into centimeter. So 30 times 2.54. 2.54. So this is gonna be 76.2 centimeter. And then line PQ. Here PQ. Let's change it. PQ is 2 foot. So 2 foot is gonna be 2 times 12 equal to 24 plus by 6. So this is 30 inches. Yeah, look at there. So if PQ equal to 30 times 2.54. So it's gonna be 76.2 centimeter. So this answer is yes, they are congruent. So if RS congruent to MN, okay, so this in centimeter gonna be 76.2 centimeter. Number 5. There are 9 different way cutting of 3 times 4 rectangle into 2 congruent. Okay, one method is here. Okay, got it. Use square paper to pencil. 8 ways. Okay, so we need to make it first. Okay, let me make it. Okay, let's say this is they are equal. Okay, so 8 ways. So we will make it 8. So this is 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make it 6, 7, and this is 8. Okay, let's proceed the first one. To make it congruent or equal, let's make it here. We can cut like this. So they are gonna be okay, congruent. Or if that is 2 or so, yeah, we can see, we can cut. First congruent we got. Second, we can make it like this. They are congruent. Then we can make it where are they going? Okay, here. Okay, and then next congruent we can make it as, okay, we got it. Then let's make it reverse. Okay, congruent again. Then what else can we make it? Okay, let's make it here 8 ways. And we can make it also as like this. And let us make it reverse. So there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, thank you.